Hey everyone, and welcome to our first episode of Conversations with Convertus, where we talk about everything digital marketing related. So I'm Angela.
And I'm Lizzie.
And if you're not sure what we do here at Convertus, we're a digital marketing agency for car dealerships.
So we've decided to launch our first video series to answer some of your frequently asked questions, which we've gathered from our incredible customer success department. And we hope to demystify some of the complex concepts within digital marketing and share some valuable tips to help your dealership improve its digital strategy and hopefully to sell more cars.
Yeah, awesome. So we're going to start off with the basic, what even is digital marketing?
What is it?
Stick around and you'll find out. Okay, so simply put, digital marketing is basically any form of marketing that's online. And some key purposes are to create brand awareness, increase website traffic, drive quality leads, and help you sell more cars.
So one of the biggest differences between a traditional marketing and digital marketing is that with traditional marketing, it took place exclusively in the physical world.
Mm-hmm.
So we're talking print ads in magazines and newspapers and things like that. But with digital marketing, it's exclusively on digital interfaces. And the awesome thing about it is that with digital marketing, we can track all of our data in real time and in really in-depth analytics and metrics, so we can figure out which areas of our strategies are successful and which may need a little bit more attention.
That's definitely one of the best benefits of digital marketing, because you don't really want to be spending money on something that's not working. Also, the other thing is that everyone is online, so it makes sense to market there, right? So other things are that you're also reaching audiences at critical decision-making moments, which leads to higher conversion rates, producing better return on investments, and it's also cost-effective. Pretty awesome.
Very awesome.
Okay, so how do we market online, Lizzie?
I just don't know, Angela. Will you tell me?
Absolutely.
Thank you.
So one strategy we do here is search engine optimization, SEO, or here at Convertus we call it organic search, where our team will work their magic in order to improve your website to try to get Google to recognize it as a quality website to get you at the very top of the search engine results page above your competitors.
Awesome. Another solution that we offer here at Convertus and another form of digital marketing is SEM, or search engine marketing. Here at Convertus, we refer to it as paid search because we are paying for that ad space. Our paid search forms include search ads, which are the text ads that show up at the very top or the very bottom of the search engine results page, or display ads, which are the visual ads that show up on various websites. Stick around for next week because we're going to do a deep dive into SEO, or organic search, and SEM, paid search. So stick around.
Want to learn how digital marketing can contribute to your dealership's success? Reach out to our amazing customer success team at support@convertus.com. We got you. We got you. We killed that.